These are the directions for page 1 from 1955 over to 1986. Your page should look like this with a spot to glue page 2 together. Other supplies: a ruler, pencil, blue colored pencil, red colored pencil, and a green colored pencil. To start off, this is only graphing, again, 1955 to 1986. And you're going to start with a paper like this. We only need to use those years, so cross off all the other years. Notice we're keeping 1986. I'm going to show you how to set this up for success so you can graph your graph. For now, we're not going to use the colored pencils. Move those to the side and take your regular pencil. Please don't use pen. It's difficult to erase if you make a mistake. I'm going to put my ruler at 1955. My first year, 1955. Put a check next to that. We are going to be graphing 38 sunspots. Again, 1955. These go by 10, so this is 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. If our number is 38, you should put it somewhere below the 40. Guesstimate. It doesn't need to be exact. We're now going to graph 1956, put a check, and it is 142 sunspots. Move the ruler over. 142 is going to be around here. Notice when I graphed my first spot, it was over on this line down here, and my second spot is on the next line. Do not skip lines. Another step to help you stay organized: make sure to connect your lines every time. All right, move the ruler over one. 1955, 6, 57. Cross off 1957. We need to have 190 sunspots. This is the line you're graphing onto. 190 is right around there. Remember, connect the line. Move the ruler over. We're now graphing 1958. There are 185 sunspots. Your dot should go on this line. 85 is around there. Guesstimate, because this was 190, this is 180. Connect your line. Let's do one more together. Actually, you know what? Let's do a few more. We're gonna go 59. 159 sunspots at 159. This is 60. So it should be right below there. Again, connect the line. We are now at 1960. You're going to be graphing on this line. 1960 is 112. This is 100. This is 110. This is 120. It should be a little bit above the 110 line. When you're done, connect them. All right, you have done the first 6 spots with me. You're going to continue to graph for the rest of your paper, including 1986 over here. To finish off this graph, when you have completed all of your spots, we are going to take our red and blue colored pencil. In your directions, it says the maximums are red. This is the highest point in this peak or wave. I'm going to make this red, just like that. I'm also going to look for the lowest spot. Obviously, I haven't graphed that next low spot, but I do have a low spot over here. I'm going to color this blue. You are not coloring the lines, and you are not coloring the dots in between the peaks or troughs. Only the top and only the bottom. Now, there is a spot later on somewhere that has 2 low points or 2 low troughs, and you can color both of those 2 points blue. That's okay. If they're the same, that's all right. When you have finished graphing, you're going to find somebody that has the second half to the graph, and they should be finished. Do not do this without your partner being done. And they're going to line up their paper, and you're going to glue these together. In total, we have 1955, the whole way up to 2025. They should have done this part here. You did this part over here. Together, you will predict in a green colored pencil what the sunspots between 2015 and 2025 look like. You're asking, hey, Miss Messer, I don't understand this. How can I figure out what that is? I don't know them. Notice we're starting to see a pattern here. This pattern is going to repeat over your graph. Follow that pattern and figure out what the prediction is. Again, red for the peaks, blue for the lows, and prediction is in green. Any questions? Please watch the video again or see me at the front for help.